Hello and welcome to this CompSkill how-to video. Today we're going to talk about the product function. That's the function you use when you want to multiply a lot of numbers together. Sure, it's really easy to use the asterisk key to multiply a couple of numbers, but when you've got a lot of numbers, up to 33 for instance, we can use one function to do it. So let's enter equals and start typing in product. Choose it off the list as we ordinarily would and open up the function editor. So number one can be a range, not necessarily separate numbers. So let's just type in our range and hit OK. And we're expecting something like 24, I think. And there we go. And copy that down. The good thing about it being a function like this is if we change that number, it will update, or any number for that argument. So that's the product function, another one of our really useful how-to functions. To be sure that you don't miss out, why don't you subscribe to our channel? That way you will always know when we put up a new video. Until next time, thank you for listening.